Ohio Fishing Crew, what's going on, man? I got Brian Robinson out here from Outdoors in Ohio. Go check his page out, give us a sub, thumbs up, all the good stuff. And not on these crappies today, I got a nice little bag of some crappie assassins, and I've got some other bodies in here. Got a couple other guys that's going to join us, and but they're running a little bit late, so we're just trying to get set up, get in the water. Let's go get them. So waiting on a couple buddies, so I might as well just give us a couple tosses over here. Oh, that was close. Look, I was pulling his water, he jumped up and grabbed it. Got himself some. That's funny. A little dinker. Yeah, I got a crappie. Yeah. Got me one, boys. Oh yeah. Nope. Oh, yeah. Get over here, boy. First keeper, boys. Oh, next cast. Oh, he got off. Oh, that was on the fall. Oh, I missed him. That was the very next cast. There we go. Oh, not a keeper. Not a keeper. Man, that's a fish or a hit in the last 4. Nice. Oh. Nope, another dinker. Another dinky. Oh, nope, another dinker. Another dinky dink. What a dinky dinky. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's not a keeper, but nice. Mm. Not a keeper. Not a keeper. No way. But whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? I got one. Nice. Oh my God. Oh, he got off. Dude, that was a 12-incher. It hit like really light, man. Yep. Pitch it out here. Oh, that's a keeper. Yeah. Yep, that's a keeper. It's a fatty right there. Trying to get up all in these nooks and crannies. Bee or something, man. No, another little dinky dinky. Still no keeper. That's on the purple. Bunch of small ones over here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move. That tree I thought was in the water from the map is actually over the water. I was like, oh, there ain't no fucking, I didn't see no trees down. You catch any more? You catch any more? Two keepers?
Yeah, we saw two like gar or something, 3 of them just swimming, like circling the tree. What was it you said it was? Like a long-nosed fish, some shit.
No shit.
Yeah, they were like rubbing up against each other, half of their bodies out the water.
Yeah, they're mating. Let's get it on. Mm-hmm. Big baby Binky still out there?
Yeah, he went all the way in the back. I was even over here so I could take a piss. I tried it over there, and the tree I tried, it was a fucking bee's nest. I was like, oh shit! I was
leaning on one there, I kept hearing this fucking
that's
bee.
probably the one.
Yeah. I was like, man, what the fuck, man? I hear these fucking bees, man.
Yeah,
I
the trunk of the tree is where they were at.
Yep.
You see the one that was like hanging from the tree?
Oh yeah, that was an old one.
Oh, was it?
I've seen that last year too.
Really?
But yeah, bro, I tried to bank up and grab on them limbs, and it was like, zzz, I was like, oh shit! Then I backed up into a tree and it was a spider web. I was like, oh shit! I was having a terrible
Fuck it! I tipped my. I swear it's water from my kayak oar. Man, the biggest one in my day I caught over there, and he got off. Man, I got 2 keepers, but I caught shit tons off of that tree, but they're all just under 9.
I caught one that was big, but I was just struggling, trying to I was like, how do I do this without losing my pole?
Did you put them on a stringer?
No, I was going to, but I was just like, man, it was just trouble. The wind's pushing me into shit. I'm just like, all right, man. He was bigger than my hand, so.
Damn.
He was fat too. So next one, he's got his stringer ready, so we're gonna get it.
All right.
Yeah, right here off those points where we were catching it last time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm picking a bunch of shit up, but I was trying to find some structure, but I was telling him on the map, I thought that tree was underwater, and it's actually coming up over the water. And I didn't pick nothing up over there. It goes up pretty shallow right there. There's some bushes and shit too, but there wasn't.
As far as you went?
Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to, I came over to check that tree out, but I got over here, I was like, oh man. Shit. That was a long ass fucking paddle just to check out a tree. Fuck, man.
I got this old guy over here pointing at the water or some shit. I was like, alright, I'm gonna stay far left as I can, but I have to go this way. Alright.
Yeah.
Guess I'll see you on the other side.
I don't know, I might come up this way. Wasn't there trees in the water right here on the other side? Or did I?
That's where those one guys were catching them with the minnows. They was over here, then they went there, and then they went over there to that little spot.
That's why I can't remember if those were standing trees in the water right there, man. I'm not picking up there's just very few in between, man. Yep. Oh, come on, baby. You're stringer quality. Yeah, I think. Yeah, it was on my next cast, huh? I'm a keeper. Damn, no, he's 8.5. There we go. Come on, baby. Get up here. You got it. Damn, another 8.5. 8. Eight and a fucking half. You kidding me? Damn. Binky's on him today, man.
Oh, nice.
Hey, this is his first time.
Really? Really?
Oh, I mean, really, crappie fishing, he don't really do it that. He's trying to learn how to do it.
Yeah, this is my first time actually.
Yep. I told him, I said, I hope you get on him, man. You get that thump therapy, dude. That shit's fucking... I mean, he'll go out and catch him a couple here and there, but he ain't never had a day like today. And that's good. Boom. There we go. Oh, damn. I wasn't even reeling it in yet, bro. I can't... my Arctic ice. If you want some, I got extra bags I poured up. Yeah. Fucking 8.5 all day, man. Huh? Yeah. Everything's been 8.5 other than these two right here. Everything else has been 8.5 or smaller. Yeah. Just use your oar.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Man, that wind was intense a little bit ago, wasn't it?
Right.
Oh, no, keep them.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I got another bag, I think, in here. Yeah. Binky in the cut over there. Look at him. He's posted up like a fucking state highway patrolman. Another dinky. Another dink. I'm the dink king today, guys. I am the dink king. Oh, there it is. Dude. Yeah, I hope so, man. Nope. Well, guys, I wasn't recording on that one, but I lost the keeper. He slipped right out of my hands. And then this guy, which is, don't you flop out on it this time. 10.5. Yeah. Sweet. What color was you catch him on?
Dude, I just threw
gave him
on.
that
He
blue
gave me
one.
one of the ones you gave him. I threw it in my second cast.
Yep. All right. Come on. Oh, I hit the wrong button. I'm gonna hit the wrong button. Come on.
I almost thought that was a bass all the way over there. I was like, hey, go something.
What was it?
I was like, can I go now?
Starting to jerky out here, folks. All right. Eat, dude. Damn, that is a good one.
My best crappie yet.
12?
Yeah.
Come on. 12, you right in the fucking side of the face.
Fuck yeah, I am 12 inches.
Pull up. 12. You've been measuring wrong all day. So. Yeah, right? Dinky. come on. Oh, he just engulfed this son of a bitchin' thing. Another dinky.